Eduthon India 2021. Basically, Eduthon India is for KG to 12 students for all over India. Basically, we are going to conduct the different workshop under the Eduthon and different project-based activity based on different workshops. And also, we are going to conduct one competition based on this workshop and the project-based activity for the students and the parents also. From this, the students will get the prizes and different trophies and certificates. Basically, there is a the model is divided into two parts. One for workshop model and second is activity-based project model. Basically, we will conduct the 40 workshop under this different topics, and the 40 workshop painting workshop, sculpture workshop, Hindi, English and language workshop, maths workshop. It will cover the academic and non-academic subjects. Basically, in weekly, students will get the 2 3 workshop based on the content of the workshop, and then the time for the per day is 1 to 2 hours basically. Then 40 workshop is dedicated for children along with the parents. After that, we also design the 8 different workshop for parents, which will be the for the one for single day, or it may be for 15 days also. There are different topics which are very helpful for the future also, and the ongoing active and children's development. So total 48 topics we are covering in the workshop. In future we can add 2 or 3 topics more in this workshop. So total in 100 days we will cover the 48 topics on different schedules. After that we will the different means after the workshop we will conduct the activity based projects. So based project is linked with the workshop. So basically we are going to conduct the 20 activity based projects. Under the 20 main activity, we are going to conduct approx 50 plus activities, sub activities. So student have to complete approx 10 base activity, and they have to submit to us. So after the project and workshop, after 100 days, students have to submit questions, answers, and the project based activity to us. So we'll provide the 5 to 6 days for that. After that, based on the activity and the question answer, we will find the winners and the prizes for the prizes. So basically, the main funda is workshop, then activity based project, and then the competition. So there was also one competition, exhibition based competition for the science projects for students, which they have to complete within 100 days also. So basically, what are the topics for the workshop? So basically, 8 topics for the parents and 40 topics for students. So here we are going. We listed some topics. We will look one by one. Acting workshop, language workshop, science workshop, writing workshop. So we can write the different stories and poems, etc., etc. Art and craft or best out of waste workshop. Then abacus, Vedic math workshop, painting workshop, English workshop, maths workshop, then scholarship and Olympiad workshop, Ayurved health, banking economics, history workshop, technology workshop, geography based workshop, then sculpture making workshop, sports workshop, astronomy or space science workshop, then personal development, soft skill development workshop, value education workshop also including personality development, then singing workshop. Different singing workshop are conducted in this topic. Then the fictional mythology stories like Ramayana, Mahabharata, the workshop will be conducted. And career guidance workshop is the most important workshop in this entire project. A recipe, fireless recipe for the kids and children. Then how to design the diet plan, fitness, how to take care of the students in the COVID situation. Then environmental and pollution based workshop. During the COVID, we are facing the oxygen issue, oxygen shortage. So the environmental workshop is very important for everyone. Then safety and self defense workshop. After that, making of handicraft, knitting workshop, yoga workshop. Lastly, the magic show will be conducted. Then some of the experiment will be conducted during the magic show. So student will learn how to do the different magics behind the scenes. Then basic computer and cyber security workshop for the parents and students is very important workshop. Puppet and origami making workshop, calligraphy workshop, STEM based activity, how to make the different STEM based activity content materials. Also we can design the content in the STEM. We can teach how to design the STEM activity based content. So you don't need to purchase from the market. Then puzzle and brain activity based workshop like Rubik cube solving, Sudoku solving, puzzle solving, and general knowledge workshop. So these are the important for the competitive exam also, like Vedic maths also important for the competitive exam, maths also important for the competitive exam. Then musical instrument workshop, there is a different musical instrument available here, so you can attend any you are interested in any instrument, then you can attend a workshop like a guitar workshop, then tabla, etc. The workshop for the parents, so according to parents need and the student development, we design the some workshop, also video making and editing workshop. Activity based project, basically we completed the first part, that is workshop for parents and student. After that we have to complete the project based activity based on the workshop. So what we include in the project based workshop, basically there is a 20 workshop. The time span is 100 days. Then the sub activity under the main activities of 50 plus activities, total marks is 100. You can take the help from parents, internet, friends and teachers. You have to complete minimum 10 project at least. So what are the topics for the project based activities? Sculpture, idol making, painting, arts, dance, then career based activity, writing activity like you write the blogs, poems or any content and you like to write. Then health based activity, you have to do the yoga in that. So you have to provide any use of any spices or any ayurvedic tree. Then last is science experiment or project, so that also used in the science exhibition which will be held in virtually. Then books, fiction, mythology based activity, banking, economy based activity, TikTok video making activity, any video you can make in this. Then about yourself, you have to write down yourself one article and video also, you have to make the article also and video also. Then recipe and recipe, puzzle brain exercise, then STEM based activity. You have to design different content based on our workshop in the STEM based activity. English workshop, then abacus with maths activity, fancy dress competition, then music instrument based activity, Ganpati decoration, any decoration that will done in the home for birthday, then anniversary or festival, etc. So these are the total topics which will cover in the project based activity. Then the timeline. So timeline and schedule for the HUthon India. So the process you have to follow is the registration, then 100 days for the workshop. We are dedicated for 100 days to workshop, then submission of project based activity and the question answer, then the prize distribution, winner shortlisting and winner prize distribution. So date for the registration is 12 July to 10 August, 30 days for the registration. After that, 100 days for the workshop. Parents and student workshop, we will take the 100 days. Then the date for the 11 August to 17 November for that. Then submission between 18th November to 22nd November, you have to submit the questions answer and then the project based activity. After that, 22nd November to 13th, we will find out the winners, then we also distribute the prizes in this timeline. So after that, have designed the some group for the activities and the workshops. So according to groups, we will conduct the workshop, and the content. The workshop will be same, but the content for different groups are different. So anyone can attend any workshop, but we will request to focus on their group only. So group A, the students group is all KG student, like senior KG, junior KG, then first and second standard student. Then group B for third and fifth standard, group C 6 to 7 standard, group D 8 to 10 standard, group E 11 to 12 standard. So these are the groups for the competition and the workshop. What are the prizes, and how do we decide the winners? So basically, winners from the national level for the projects, then national level project plus question answers, then state level project and question answers, and certificate to all participants. Then based on the social media, we will decide the 100 different winners. We also conduct the exhibition. From the exhibition, we will find out the some winners. FAQ. The registration is mandatory for the participation. Workshop is conducted via online platform only, like YouTube, then our website, mobile application, then Facebook. So these are Zoom. So these are the media for the workshop. Then workshop language is basically Hindi and English. So the main language is Hindi, so everyone can understand this. No violation of intellectual property rights. This is an important rule for this workshop, and the project-based activity. The Eduthon competition is open to all from KG to 12 student. Prizes will not be transferable to another person. No part of the prize is exchangeable for the cash or any other prize. So you cannot exchange the prize. Organizer reserves the right to change the dates. Registration fee will not be refunded at any cost. But if the competition get cancelled, eduthon get cancelled, you will get the 100% refund within 30 days. Then organizer's decision is final. All right reserved by organizer. So how you can contact us or how to register? So basically we have website mitwa.tech. You can contact from the mitwa.tech. Also you can WhatsApp us or Telegram us, or you can call. So basically this is the eduthon, the basic scenario of eduthon. You can participate in the eduthon from to get the knowledge in 360 degree, and also learn the different things in this COVID pandemic situation. Thank you.